Welcome YouTubers, this is Earl from Virginia. It's Wednesday, March 6th. Not too cold out, but it's 7 o'clock in the morning. We've been getting hit by this snowstorm all night. Well, starting about 10 o'clock last night. It's 7 o'clock now, and they're calling for heavy snows all day long to about 11 o'clock tonight. And we got about 6 inches right now. I think we're going to get roughly about a foot before it's over with. And it's freaking March, guys. Daylight savings times this Sunday, and the sky is just as gray as could be. We're gonna get hammered today, I got a feeling. So here we are in the Shenandoah Valley, Virginia, getting some snow. Thought you might want to take a look-see. Wind's picking up a little bit. And sorry about that. My cat wanted to take off. Go around front, we'll take a look out there too.